everybody, it's Mug007 here again, and today I'm going to show you how I made my door monster for Halloween. You will need some whiteboard magnet sheets, some strong glue, some construction paper, some of these Neo magnets, and also some colored markers, scissors. For the eyeballs you'll need some game board tokens. These are blank ones that I use for making games and playtesting, and they're dark on one side. And I use paper plates as my template. For the eyeballs, I'm going to make 4 eyeballs. 2 of them will be spare. So just put some glue, add one of the magnets, set these aside for drying, and it'll take maybe a few minutes. To make the white parts of the magnetic eye, I used a paper plate as a template. You probably want the eyeball to be pretty big. You can cut it this size or a smaller size. I'm just going to cut it somewhere in the middle. This is the rough size that I want. It doesn't have to be perfectly circular. And then I'm just going to use this as my guide to trace onto the magnetic board. And this monster is going to have one big eye and one small eye. Now you can trace the small eye using a template or a cup, but I'm going to try this freehand. What I'm going to do now is trace it over with a permanent thicker marker. Cut them out. Using the scraps, make an eyebrow. This piece can be used as an eyebrow, and since it's magnetic, everything can move. And these eyeballs will move. Can even be used as a little mouth if you'd like. I'm gonna make a giant mouth. You can use the magnetic board to make the mouth, but I want to add some color, so I'm going to use thick construction paper. Just let everything dry before sticking it on the door. And you can even decorate your fridge with something like this. Christmas, you can change the eyeballs around and make it into a little snowman. This magnetic face monster is going off to one of my friends. Feel free to make your own and decorate it as you please. And if you do, post up a video or pictures somewhere for us to see. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!